Hi Imagi coders! Today I'm going to talk to you about the law of large numbers. That sounds serious, but it's really not that complicated, I promise. Remember the challenge from day 21? Luba was making a decision whether she should watch Netflix or do her homework. But instead of just thinking about it, she used her imagi charm to make that random choice. This is sort of like it is to flip a coin. You should technically have 50-50 chance of getting head or tail. But sometimes you keep running that program and you keep getting homework as the answer. But you have this intuition. Shouldn't it be equal chances? The law of large numbers confirms that intuition. The idea is, the more times you're able to run your random decision-making code, the more equal it's going to become how many times you got Netflix or homework as the answer. But instead of you manually rerunning the code, why not create another program which will run the program for you, maybe hundreds of times? I created an example where I ran the Netflix versus homework random decision code 64 times, and then I nicely visualized it so you could see how many times I got homework versus Netflix as the answer. It's pretty close to equal ratio, right? Your task for day 22 is to build onto your code from yesterday and create a program that will run your random decision making hundreds or maybe even thousands of times. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on Discord. We're here to help, and find more information on our Learning Hub. Bye!